Today, instant logistics leader Zipline announced a partnership with African e-commerce platform Jumia that will see the integration of Zipline's delivery system with Jumia's distribution network for the deployment of automated, on-demand delivery for e-commerce in Africa. Using the latest instant logistics technology will allow Jumia to offer our consumers on-demand delivery of the products they need instantly, said Apoorva Kumar, EVP Jumia, Group COO. Whether they're ordering electronics, fashion, health, and beauty, or other categories, Zipline's instant logistics system will provide fast and convenient access. This will support Jumia's commitment to sustainability and innovation and provide much-needed access to rural and remote areas where conventional delivery services have challenges. A trial period was conducted across a variety of use cases with a range of assorted products, covering up to 2,500 kilometers in testing. Deliveries taking off from the Zipline operational hub in Omanako, Ghana to Jumia hubs up to 85 kilometers away were completed in under an hour, carried out with full visibility for all stakeholders in the delivery cycle. The company's plan to expand to Côte d'Ivoire and Nigeria, as well as other countries in the future. Zipline is pleased to partner with Jumia to use instant logistics to improve the lives of customers across Africa, said Daniel Marfo, SVP of Zipline Africa. This collaboration will increase access to goods for customers and help small and medium-sized businesses grow. Zipline's safe and efficient instant logistics system will make shopping on Jumia even more convenient, sustainable, and accessible for its customers. Zipline's instant logistics system features a leading autonomy platform, a fleet of light, electric aircraft, and flight management systems that produce 98% less emissions than delivery by car, all of which come together to provide consumers with the products they need in 45 minutes or less. Jumia's logistics network consists of more than 30 warehouses and over 3,000 drop-off and pick-up stations throughout 11 countries in Africa. Jumia announced the availability of its services to third parties back in 2020. This partnership reaffirms Jumia's commitment to offering affordable and eco-friendly deliveries to consumers. The company is additionally working with Solar Taxi in Ghana and EB in Kenya to attain a fully green footprint through the use of clean and sustainable renewable energy. Subscribe to DroneLife.com for more commercial drone news.